the cozy, wood-paneled parlor of Uncle George and Aunt Mildred's country estate. Rain taps gently against the windows. A fire crackles. 6 bridge fanatics huddle around a green baize table, cards fanned like secrets waiting to be told. Uncle George, adjusting his spectacles, voice like aged bourbon. Tonight, my dears, we unveil test number 8, a defense so subtle. Marjorie, calmly finishing 12 down, bridge tactic involving Trump parody, 9 letters, under rough. George, don't tease. Just deal the hand. Tom, sweating slightly, gripping his cards like live grenades. I think I've seen this in a dream. Or was it a nightmare? There was a diamond, and a club, and someone whispered, don't over rough. Andrew, grinning at Timmy. Ready for this, partner? This one's a brain bender. Timmy, eyes gleaming. Bring on the squeeze. I live for the whisper of the under rough. The hand, test number 8. Contract, 5 diamond by north-south. Vulnerable. Pressures on. Opening lead, spade A by west, cashes spade K, lead spade 3. Your hand, east. Spade 9, 4. Heart Q, J, 7, 2. Diamond 7, 6, 3. Club Q, J, 8, 2. Dummy, north, revealed after lead. Spade 7, 2. Heart 8, 5. Diamond J, 10, 8, 4. Club A, K, 10, 9, 6. Declarer, south, holds a balanced hand, likely 4-3-3-3 or 4-4-3-2. The moment. West leads the spade 3. Dummy roughs with the diamond 8. All eyes turn to you, east. You hold diamond 7, diamond 6, diamond 3, and the hearts and clubs. You can discard a heart or club. Under rough, rough with your diamond. You have 30 minutes. What do you play? Tom nervously shuffles his feet. Bartek taps his pen. Marjorie sips tea.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.
Time's up. Did you solve it? Underroughing equals roughing with a lower trump than needed to overrough, on purpose. Why? To preserve side suit length parity, especially to block declarer from establishing long suits. Why it matters here. Dummy has 5 clubs. You have 4 clubs. If you discard a club, declarer will 1. Cash club A and club K. 2. Lead a third club, dummy roughs it. 3. Now dummies club 10, 9, 6 become winners. Game over. If you discard a heart, same problem, dummy may establish hearts. But if you underrough with diamond 3, you keep your club length equal to dummies, 4 versus 5? No, dummy started with 5, you with 4. But after roughing, dummy's club length in play is now 4 remaining, and so are yours. Maintain parity. Prevent declarer from ever cashing that third club rough, because you'll still be there to follow or rough. Goal. You and partner have already taken 2 tricks. You need 1 more to defeat 5 diamonds. This underrough is your silent weapon. Step-by-step demo. How declarer fulfills contract if you fail. Smooth. Ominous. 1. You discard club 2 on declarer's diamond 8 rough. 2. Declarer draws trumps, diamond A, K, Q, you follow low. You're now out of trumps. 3. Declarer cashes club A, you follow club 8, then club K, you follow club J. 4. Declarer leads club 10, dummy ruffs with last trump. You're helpless. 5. Dummies club 9 and club 6 now drop as winners. Contract made. You lose. Timmy slumps in his chair. I should have whispered to the diamond 3. The winning play, underruff with diamond 3. Bartek raises an eyebrow. Marjorie nods slowly. 1. You rough spade 3 with diamond 3, underruffing declarers diamond 8. 2. Declarer, puzzled, draws trumps, leads diamond A, you follow diamond 6. Diamond K, you follow diamond 7. Trumps gone. 3. Declarer tries clubs, cashes club A, you follow club 2. 4. You have club Q and club J. 5. Contract down 1. Timmy leaps up. The whisper worked. The diamond 3 spoke volumes. Why this is brilliant. You preserved club parity. Dummy can't rough the third club because you're still alive in the suit. You turned a passive discard into an active, strategic ruff with the lowest trump. You prevented the squeeze before it began. Underruffing, murmurs Uncle George, is the art of losing a battle to win the war. Expert insight. When declarer tries to establish a long suit in dummy, the defender's greatest weapon isn't power, it's parity. Underruffing maintains that parity. It's not flashy. It doesn't win applause. But it wins tricks and breaks contracts. Final thought. Bridge isn't just about high cards and bold bids. Sometimes, victory hides in the quietest plays. A diamond 3 whispered onto the table, holding the line against a storm of clubs. Subscribe for test number 9.